We have brought the CLA to the CES, and it's the very first time that we actually have a world premiere of a car here, and it is the ultimate mobile device. The new CLA takes MBUX, our connected car operative system, to the next level with new features like the energizing coach, like an intuitive gesture control, and new features inside MBUX.
Well, I think we need to start designing the interior around the human, of course, and around user interaction system. So that's what we did.
With the CLA, we added in 2013 another very successful model to our compact segment. Since 2013, we sold more than 750,000 of the CLA Coupe and Shooting Brake.
We designed the new generation according to our philosophy, central beauty. That means reducing all the lines and sculpture this car just with light and shadows.
In 2018, Mercedes-Benz was again the best-selling automotive premium brand, and we will continue the success story.